Hello and welcome to my channel. This is all about luxury things for a typical working family woman like me. If this sounds interesting to you, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new video. Okay, this video is to show you how I clean this Louis Vuitton sac Bosphore that I purchased pre-loved, and I did an unboxing of this. You can check it out on my channel. So let's get started. Okay, so what we will be using are the Apple Leather Care Kit. This is the cleaner and the conditioner, baby wipes, some clean cloth, and lint roller. Okay, so before anything else, it is important for the vachetta to be hydrated before doing any cleaning. So what I am doing here is basically applying the leather conditioner on all the vachetta parts. Make sure you do this in all the vachetta parts, so that includes the vachetta on the inner part of the bag. So next is I have used the lint roller inside the bag to remove any dirt and just clean it all the way using the lint roller. So right now I'm using it also on the handles, just to remove the visible dirt in there. The handle part is cotton, so I think it's best to use the lint roller to remove the dirt here. And also the long strap, I just use the lint roller as well to remove any dirt that might be sticking in there. I am also using the lint roller on the pocket, in the front pocket. Okay, it will be difficult to clean the corners using the lint rollers, so I just took the part of that sticky part of the roller and then just dab it inside. Next step is to use the baby wipes on the canvas. So you will just wipe it all the way through the back. I just cut the tag off because I know I won't be returning it and it's getting in the way. So alright, continue wiping it off all the way through in circular motion. Now we're just gonna wipe it off with a dry towel because it's a little wet because of the wipes. So we'll just wipe it all the way through. Now I'll be using the Apple Leather Cleaner on the vachetta, so I just put it on the wipes, which is good because it's already wet. So you just dab a little amount of the cleaner and then just put it in the vachetta in a circular motion. So you have to do this all the way through on all the vachetta parts. Don't forget the inside vachetta, so all will be even after you have finished everything off. Alright, next step is to wipe the interior with baby wipes, just to make sure that the interior is clean. At the end of the day, this is where you will put all your things, right? So you gotta make sure that it is clean. So just wipe it all the way through. Alright, next is to wipe also the handles of the bag using the baby wipes. So this is the best way I know that I can do to clean the handles. You might use soap and water, but I'm just afraid for the vachetta to get wet. So I am also doing the same on the long strap, just wiping it off. As I said, you can actually wash it in with warm soap and water, but for me, baby wipes is fine. Alright, going to the next step is to use again the leather conditioner on all the vachetta parts. So this is right after cleaning it off, we need to moisturize again the vachetta, so that's why we're using the leather conditioner again on all the vachetta parts. So you just have to do it on all the vachetta again. Don't forget the interior vachetta, so that all the patina are even on your back. I'm also using the leather conditioner on the canvas, just to make the bag shinier. Okay, so this is the finished product. As you can see, the bag looks very clean and shiny, and yeah, it's now ready to use. Alright, so thank you for joining me on this video. I hope you learned something from me, and I hope to see you on my next one. Stay safe, stay happy, and remember, we deserve some Luxe. Bye!